This time, building a fuel tank cover. To seal my CBX1000 Moto Martin tank. But no CBX video without some engine noises. A final polish, before installation. Please enjoy my video. Welcome to ABCD Videos. This cover was glued in place. It was leaking, so I had to improve it. The idea, a cover, bolted to a backing plate. Step 1, marking dimensions and start cutting. I used simple tools like a death wheel. And proceeded with drilling the holes. After the cover, I make the backing plate. Before test fitting the two together. And welding the nuts on the back. I tapped threads in the final version. See more CBX videos on my channel. Then, make a template of the inner hole. And cut the center out. A half moon to allow assembly. Before a final polish of the cover. Drilling the tank. Enjoying the CBX on the Isle of Man. Enjoy the 6-cylinder screaming up the mountain. Then I polish all the bolts. Please subscribe to support the channel. And construct a gasket. Before final assembly. I later used Viton as gasket material. And this is the tank on the bike. See more CBX1000 videos on my channel. All praise to George Martin. Hope to see you in my next video.